You're eating clean, you're working out, you're doing everything right. So why are you still tired, sluggish, foggy, or struggling with your weight and skin? It might not be about how much you do. It might be about what you're missing. And that missing piece? It could be iodine. Iodine is one of the most underrated minerals in the health world. A micromineral, meaning you only need a tiny amount, but its role in your body is absolutely massive. It's naturally found in seafood, seaweed, kelp, and sometimes in dairy products. But here's the catch. Modern diets, especially salt-restricted or plant-based ones, often skip over iodine entirely. And that's a serious problem, because iodine is the fuel for your thyroid gland, the tiny organ in your neck that controls your body's thermostat. What does iodine really do? With the right iodine levels, your body can produce thyroid hormones that regulate your weight and metabolism, support your brain function and mental clarity, maintain a stable nervous system, helping reduce stress and mood swings, keep your skin healthy, reducing breakouts, dryness, and inflammation, power your energy metabolism so you feel less tired and more alive. Sounds important? It is. But most people don't realize the symptoms of low iodine until they're deep into them. They blame their low energy on sleep, their skin problems on hormones, their weight on willpower, their brain fog on burnout. But often, it's a silent deficiency, a missing mineral that's leaving the whole system out of sync. Here's another fact most people don't know. Many countries used to prevent iodine deficiency by adding it to table salt. But today, with the rise of clean eating and low-sodium diets, many of us are cutting out iodized salt, and with it, cutting out our iodine supply. And if you don't eat a lot of seafood or seaweed, your risk of deficiency goes up even more. So, what can you do? Natural supplements like sea kelp offer a rich source of iodine, often around 150 micrograms per tablet, which matches the recommended daily intake. This can help restore balance and support your thyroid and overall vitality. And for added synergy, you can combine iodine with B-complex vitamins to enhance energy and protect the nervous system. Evening primrose oil for smoother skin, stronger hair, and healthy nails. Green tea to naturally boost your metabolic rate. Together, these nutrients help your body thrive from the inside out. But here's something you must not skip. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before using iodine or any supplement, especially if you're taking thyroid medication like thyroxine. Many multivitamins and slimming aids already contain iodine, and taking too much can disrupt your thyroid rather than help it. Even though iodine isn't usually stored in excess by the body, thyroid health is delicate and highly individual. So if you're feeling off, if your energy's fading, your skin's acting up, or your weight won't move, ask yourself, could it be iodine? Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest and smallest. For more real, research-backed health advice that goes deeper than surface-level tips, hit that subscribe button. Vital Elixir is your guide to smarter, safer, and more effective wellness. And remember, before adding any new supplement to your routine, always speak to your healthcare provider. Your body deserves the right support at the right time in the right way.